Hey gang, thanks for checking out the first video installment of Fancy Frozen Food. Tonight we're going to be cooking up some quick and easy chicken wings. So we're going to drop our first batch of frozen wings into the deep fryer. We're going to let those deep fry for about 10 minutes, then we're going to come back and check on them. After about 10 minutes, the cooking portion of the chicken should have been done. It's got the inside of the chicken cooked. The skin is getting crispy, but not quite there yet. We're going to set them aside on a paper towel, let some of the oil dry off, let them rest for a few minutes. And then after they rested for a while, we're going to put them back in the deep fryer and for about 5 minutes, and this is where we're going to get the skin nice and crispy. Are you judging me? Are you asking for your chicken?
Where's my chicken? Where's my chicken, Michael? Where is it?
Now we've got both batches of wings cooked up twice, and the skin is nice and crispy. You can hear it as it drops in. Now we're going to get ready for seasoning. We're going to give these a toss with some garlic and some Parmesan, mimicking one of our favorite Wingstop recipes.
Who needs Wingstop?
Hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe.